In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter bank and credit card spend transactions in Xero. This is really useful when a payment hasn't come through your bank feed yet, or when you need to record something manually to keep your accounts up to date. First, make sure you're logged into Xero and you're on the main dashboard or homepage. From here, look for the section that shows your bank and credit card accounts. Find the specific business bank or credit card account that you want to work with. This is the account the money was actually spent from. Click on that account to open it. At the top right of the bank account screen, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear, and from that list, choose the option that says Spend Money. This tells Xero that you're about to record money going out of this account. You'll now be taken to a Spend Money transaction screen. At the top, you'll see a field usually labelled To. This is where you record who the payment was made to. Click into that field and start typing the name of the bank, vendor, supplier, or payee. If you've paid this person before, Xero might suggest an existing contact. If not, you can simply type the name as you want it recorded. Next, move down to the description field. Click on it and enter a clear description such as bank payment, or something specific like credit card payment, or office supplies purchase. A good description will help you and anyone else looking at your records understand what this transaction was for later on. Now fill in the other details on the screen. This typically includes the date of the transaction, the reference if you have one, the total amount paid, and the account or expense category you want to code this to, such as telephone, rent, or bank charges. If the transaction includes tax, choose the correct tax rate so your reports stay accurate. Double check that the bank account shown at the top is the correct one. As you move through each field, follow the prompts and hints Xero shows on screen. If something is required or not formatted correctly, Xero will usually let you know. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy that the details are correct, scroll to the bottom and click on Save. Xero will record this as a spend money transaction in that bank or credit card account, and you're done.